How to create and join WhatsApp events with built-in reminders. Well, WhatsApp events allows you to create, organize, and track RSVPs for gathering directly within group chats, featuring automatic built-in reminders for attendees. This feature works in community groups and increasingly in standard group chats as well. You want to open up the group or community chat. So open up group or community chat, right? Then once you have done so, what you can do is you can simply proceed to select the event. Tap the plus icon to create the event there. You can set the event here. So now I'm doing this in community instead. Tap on plus icon there at the chat bottom below and then tap on event option. Then you can add in event name here, futsal, and you can add in description. Then you can select start time and you can include end time as well, and you can enable it. However, I'll turn this off. Then you can add the WhatsApp call link if you want, and you can set the reminder as well, 1 hour before, 30 minutes before, or 1 day before. I'll set it 1 day before, and then you can allow guests as well if you want, and then you can send it, and then the group will be sent. So event will be sent, so you can see this way. So this is how you can easily create and join WhatsApp event. Now, if anyone is going to join, they can tap on join and proceed to join the event here. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.